Hey guys, and welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to create a logo using Canva. Now let's begin. Do note that I am doing this using the Canva app, and you can also do the same using Canva in your website. Now let's begin. In the search icon here, just type logo and hit enter. You can see many templates here. You can choose from any one of them, or you can simply create a blank logo. For now, I'm going to create a new logo. The size of the logo is 500px by 500px. And now you can just add some elements, change its color. I'm just going to create a sample logo. Well guys, I just created a simple sample logo. You can also create something like this, and you can also do something better. You can add more elements to it. You can add your own custom designs. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you found this video helpful. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.